Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to be unboxing Sharon's new watch, which is the new Michael Kors watch. So let's get on to opening the box and unboxing the thing. So the watch is the 5799 model. So let's get on to unboxing it. So
It's got a box right here, white box, and okay.
So that is the 5799 Michael Kors. Let's get on to opening the box and seeing what's inside. Wow, that's a cool watch. This watch kind of reminds me
Okay,
of
the camera is
the.
here.
What does it remind me of?
It's
It
not
kind of
focusing.
reminds me of the Rolex kind of watch because of the strap. The strap is kind of like the Rolex. So okay, this is a rose gold watch. Let's just see the focus. I don't know which side the other is correct.
It's fine.
Yeah. So if you can see here, this is the rose gold. I don't know why if it's focusing, but this is the new rose gold color. It's 100 meters water resistant. It's quite heavy though. So I got this one today, so she had to get one too.
No,
So,
not really.
not really, but she wanted to get a watch. It's been a
Yeah,
while, so we got her
because
one
this
too.
actually, like, I only have one watch.
Yes, as well.
This one, like, we purchased this watch about 3 years ago. So I said, since I was working hard for the last 2 months, let me just reward myself. And because I'm not really an accessory person, guys. I don't purchase so much of like accessories like watch and earrings. I'm not into those kind of things. I'm more of a makeup person. So this was my old watch, which is the Casio
Sheen
Sheen.
edition.
So this is what it looks like. It's not, it looks quite big from the screen, but it's not really big for me. I really liked it.
So that's her new watch, guys. So let's get an in-depth video in the sense. We'll do a close-up and show you what the watch looks like. So thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe.
You can also subscribe to my channel, Sharon Saldanha.
That's the link. Ting.
Come and
Bye,
fly
guys.
away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away.